I've always stood my grounds where I've always claimed that I've got one of the best Mercedes G-Wagons in the whole of UK. But today, I might have to take that crown off.
Today, I feel like I'm a kid in a candy store. If you have a look over here, we have got a whole range of carbon fibre G-Wagon parts. We've just got a G-Wagon that's just been booked in by a customer, dropped off all the way from London, here at Enkahnz HQ for a full White Star G-Wagon body kit, and the car is going to be dripped out in carbon fibre. So all these parts are dry carbon fibre, genuine stuff, none of that cheap rubbish that you see online sometimes. And to be honest with you, we've seen a lot of examples out there. People think that all carbon fibre parts are very expensive. Yes, they are. The reason being is because they are actually made out of dry carbon fibre. It's a long process, a very expensive process to manufacture these parts. But once they are done, once they're made, manufactured, lacquered, you can see the results speak for themselves. And this is so light. All these parts are very, very lightweight. So these are the mirror covers. You can see behind it is proper carbon fibre. We've also got the indicator surrounds, would go onto the existing indicators on the G-Wagon, and these are also carbon fibre. So on the G-Wagons, on the doors and across the whole side of the G-Wagon, it's got these strips that run across the car. So 5 pieces on one side of the car, and then you got 5 pieces on the other side of the car as well. And these will go over the existing door handles on the car at the moment. I think they're like a matte finish, and these will look quite nice as well. On the back quarter, just after the glass window, we've got these C-pillar trims. So we've got the center console where the gear shift lever goes. This is the surround for that. And we've also got this middle piece which slides in the center console. Around the digi dash, we've got all this surround where this carbon fibre would be fitted as well. Check out this. Wow, a work of art, literally. We've got these carbon fibre seat covers. You can see the weave in the middle, it's got a line, and the weave is literally going diagonal on one side and then diagonal on the other side. That looks absolutely stunning. And this also, have a look at the back of it, is genuine carbon fibre. This customer has gone all out, guys. He ain't messing around. He's not playing no games. So make sure that you've got no kids in the back, or you've got no passengers in the back that are constantly kicking the back of these seats, because that would certainly annoy me. And the other thing is, you do not want to be damaging these and scratching these. Lights, so when you open and close the doors, they illuminate. We've tinted the headlights, so they've got a nice smoked tint on there. We've also tinted the light bar. There it is.
Oh, days. Nah, that looks stupid, bro. Nah, it's taking the piss, I swear to God.
Everywhere carbon. Look at these silhouettes, lights, bro. Then put the lights there. Look at the exhaust.
Nah, bro.
It looks hard.
I will be swimming in. What?
I've not even shown you the back of it yet, actually. I completely forgot. I still got the badges to put on. I'm gonna get the boys to check everything, and then we'll touch base tomorrow, hopefully.
Yeah.
And then I'll give you the green light for Friday, hopefully.
Yeah. Alright,
yeah.
Right, Harry, come on, let's do this, bro. Let's do this. We've never thought there'd be King Harry, because there's always gonna be King William, isn't there? But possibly we might have to give the crown to King Harry, and England might officially have a king called Harry. Right, you get it? Anyway, right, so we've got Dawood in the showroom, sat in the G-Wagon, and I'm genuinely excited to present this car to Harry, because he's been very patient, a brilliant customer of ours, and we have to say, we have to give him the top spot We've got some VVIP clients here, but Harry has genuinely, I think Dawood will tell you a little bit more about that. You know, like when you watch Top Gear and you go down the track and you get the race, and the person that wins, you always get that top. You've got that, bro. So give me a touch for that, man. You've got that, my brother. Anyway, let's waste no time. You're just as excited. I'm more excited than Harry. But this car, Dawood, get in the car, start her up. This is the big reveal, guys, and trust me, it's had everything done to the car. Like, there's nothing more we can do to this G-Wagon apart from put some wings on it and make it fly away. But this car, when it hits the streets of London, around Mayfair, Knightsbridge, right, look at it. She's looking just as good just behind the shutters. Come on, bro, get it in your Snapchat, get it in your Insta, bro, get it in your TikTok. Look at that, mate. Beast, B for beast. I didn't want to be on camera.
Go on, go on.
Right, this has been a massive, mammoth beast of a project.
100%.
And I know how personally you've taken this.
Every optional extra possible.
Everything ticked off. And this is what I was saying. Harry is king.
Maxed out, number one.
Number one.
Number one.
Is there anyone out there that can beat him?
I don't think there is.
Please give us a call.
I don't think
if
there
you
is.
want to do a project on your car and you're a top Harry, which will be very, very difficult. He's topped somebody after almost 15 years.
15 years.
I customised a car for a 70-year-old client of mine.
Yeah.
Mr. Abbas, if he's watching. His Mercedes Koenig, old classic car.
Is that the blue one?
Blue one, and he went all out on that car back in 2010.
Statement back then.
Trust me, it was, but Harry has topped
Harry's doing half the time.
half the time
Half
now,
the age.
but back then, 2010, that kind of money,
Of course.
you could have bought a house.
100%.
Or well, back to back or house, whatever. You could definitely buy a lot of things. But Harry's topped it. And is there anybody out there that can possibly top it?
I don't think there
Let's
is.
wait and see. Hopefully in my time they can.
Unless you get a Urus or Cullinan kit.
Well, you never know, mate. Hey, we've got a few of them coming in. They're well priced as well, aren't they? But let's see. Look at this. Beautiful example. Brilliant. Looks like a beast. And
Sounds like
I have to look at this there now. That looks a bit. I don't know. It still looks good, don't get me wrong. It still looks good, but this
something else.
looks like a monster. So I might have to take my crown off and just place it on this G-Wagon. There you go. There you have it, guys. And we've got the full transformation. And you pop the bonnet, and the car's been tuned as well. Got a full exhaust system, fully tuned up, mapped out, engine upgrade, banging out 900 bhp. That's what this car needs anyway. We've got all the carbon fibre trims, everything on this car.
Everything carbon.
It's carbon fibre.
Dripping in
genuine, dry carbon fibre, high quality, bonnet, indicator trim, front lip, arches,
Wheels.
door mouldings, mirrors, spoilers, door handles, exhaust.
Everything.
Oh my God, back fins,
Spoiler.
back diffuser, top spoiler, wheel cover. Oh my God, everything.
Oh, go inside the car now, go inside the car.
Let's go inside the car.
Inside the car.
This car's dripped in carbon. Check that out. Carbon fibre trims inside the door trims, carbon fibre back seat covers.
Interior.
Oh my days, check this out. Carbon fibre steering wheel. Everything on the dashboard that you can possibly get is carbon fibre. All the trims, centre console, all these trims over here, the buttons, etc. It's got the Star Galaxy roof lights as well. It's got the puddle lights. Oh geez, it's got the foot pedals as well. Oh, hang on a minute.
Let's not forget.
I didn't even do that. Let's not forget. Let's not forget. Officially,
The first one.
officially the first one. I was going to do it to my car, but Harry said do it on mine. Right, as you can see, you know what Mercedes G-Wagons are known for. You got to slam the doors to close them. But the new 2025 model come with soft door closures. Now we've got everything it needs to upgrade your W464 to soft door closures, just like this one. Voila! You like that, don't you, Harry? Hey, this King Harry is not going to go in a horse and cart. Okay, he's going in a G-Wagon, and he'll be driving past Buckingham Palace. And make sure you pop your horn to King Charles and give high fives to Queen Camilla, because I met her a few months ago.
Oh,
Yeah, right. And obviously to finish it off with all the puddle lights, and you got this perfect.
It sounds perfect.
It this G-Wagon purrs beautifully. Not too loud and not over the top like some of the cars that we've done. This is perfect. This is what it sounds like. Very basic, purrs, and this is what you need in London as well, because obviously in London there's a bit of a law going out now as well, isn't there? Too loud exhaust, you're gonna get fined, and we don't want Harry getting fined. But anyway, this is one of the best examples of a customized Mercedes G-Wagon. This is the level that we can take it to, and could we take it beyond? Well, you'll have to wait and see, but ultimately this G-Wagon takes the crown.